In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single leg drill known as a unilateral 6-step passover. So firstly, what on earth does that all mean? Well, we're going to be doing 6 steps with a dumbbell or with a weight, and we're going to be testing our single leg stability, so the stability of our ankle, knees and hips, as well as working our core and lower back as our center of gravity changes as this weight goes around the body. So choose whatever side you want to start off with. So I'm going to use my left leg here, and I'm going to show you what 1 repetition looks like. So left leg's in contact with the floor. My left leg is also pointing directly straight, as is my foot. And I'm going to bring my right knee into a flexed position. Once I've got my balance, I'm going to pass over the weight to my right hand. That is step number 1. I'm then going to pass it back behind my body, which is step number 2. I then come all the way up with both of my hands, still making sure I'm balancing. I pass to my right hand, which is step 3. Pass back to my left hand, which is step 4. And then as I come down, I've got the weight in my opposing hand to the leg of which I'm working. So for example, I'm working my left leg stability, and I've got this weight in my right hand. I'm going to then bring my knee up, and I'm going to pass under and back over, and then I'm going to bring the leg back and go under and back over. So that is your 6 steps. Let's do them one more time, and I'm going to count them, and we're going to do this quicker. So 1, 2, 3, 4, back to my right hand, knee comes up, 5, 6, and then we're all done. So that is how to do a unilateral 6-way passover, and we're focusing there on different parts of the body, changing our center of gravity and improving our single leg balance stability.